If there's one thing that'll earn you respect in the gym, it's a powerful, chiseled upper body, and that starts with your chest. For well-defined pecs, you obviously need a workout that'll add inches to your chest, and this routine is the perfect starting point. 1. Push-up. How to do it. Start on all fours and place your hands directly underneath your shoulders, keeping your arms straight. Think about tightening your glutes while initiating the movement by bending your elbows. 2. Barbell bench press. How to do it. Set up the barbell with light or no weight. Position the top quarter of a flat bench so it sits directly below the bar. Lie on the bench with your feet on either side, planted on the floor. Take a grip just wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the bar down, keeping your hands directly above your elbows. Breathe in as you lower the bar. Pause at the bottom briefly, then exhale as you press the bar up, keeping your head still and neck neutral to ensure the bar follows that same straight path. 3. Medicine ball chest throw. How to do it. Take a kneeling position facing a wall or get a training partner involved to make this move more competitive. Hold the medicine ball with both hands at chest height. Garnering as much power as possible, throw the ball straight at the wall or your partner, following through with your hands as if you were mimicking the pressing portion of an explosive push-up. You'll naturally fall forward a bit. 4. Flat dumbbell bench press. How to do it. Lie down on a flat bench with a dumbbell in each hand. If the weights are challenging, rest them on your thighs and use your legs to kick up and help lift the dumbbells as you come into a lying position. Your hands should be shoulder width apart, holding the dumbbells on either side of the chest. Your arms should create 90 degrees angles with your palms facing forward, away from you. Press the weights up as you squeeze your chest muscles to create tension. Once your arms are straight, lower down and repeat. 5. Decline dumbbell fly. How to do it. Set a bench to a decline angle. Set dumbbells on the floor by the head end of the bench, on either side. Lie down on your back and take the weights in each hand. Press the weights up so your arms are straight with palms facing each other. Slowly lower the weights down with a slight bend in your elbows, following a wide arc, until you feel a stretch in your chest. Keep tension in your pecs as you bring your arms back to the start position. 6. Cable chest press. How to do it. Evenly position the cables at about chest height on a cable machine. Take hold of the handles, and stand so you're facing away from the machine. Pull the handles close to your chest, then step into a split stance to create a solid base. Make sure you grab the handles and get them in front of your chest before you step away from the machine, rather than stepping and then reaching back. If the weight is heavy, reaching too far back can cause shoulder and rotator cuff issues. Once you're stable, face your palms to one another, and press the cables out until your arms are straight. Try to keep your deltoids in line with your ears and your shoulders back, so your chest is doing most of the work. 7. Incline dumbbell bench press. How to do it. Lie down on a bench set to a 45 degrees angle with a dumbbell in each hand. If the weights are challenging, rest them on your thighs and kick your legs up to lift the dumbbells, and then lie down. Start with the weights resting on your chest. Press the flat plates together so your palms face one another. As you press up, keep the weights pressed together firmly so you're tensing the pecs as you press. Lower back down so the weights rest briefly on your chest, then repeat. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.